very, very big hail. Oh, please don't set my car alarm off. Holy cow. I have never seen hail like this in Colorado. Oh my god. Yep, there they are. Golf ball size hail. Oh my god! They're gonna get in!